Welcome to King Douglas Voice Lab. I'm your diction coach, and if you're a subscriber, congratulations. You're a step closer to mastering your pronunciation of the English language. In this lesson, we'll be handling digraphs, and our focus will be on vowel digraphs, which are a combination of two vowel letters coming together to form a vowel sound. Our letters here are O, A, giving us the O sound. If you can form a sentence with any of these examples, drop them in the comments below and make sure to practice with me as we go along. Shall we? How is this pronounced? Oak, oak, oak. And this? Coat, coat, coat. And this? Soap, soap, soap. And this? Bəʊt, bəʊt, bəʊt. And this? Rəʊd, rəʊd, rəʊd. And this? ɡəʊl, ɡəʊl, ɡəʊl. We're at the end of our lesson. And if this tickles your fancy, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next lesson.